Novena in honor of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Day 1. 1 Kings 19:11 to 14. The Lord said, "Go out and stand on the mountain before the Lord, for the Lord is about to pass by." Now there was a great wind, so strong that it was splitting mountains and breaking rocks in pieces before the Lord. But the Lord was not in the wind. And after the wind an earthquake, but the Lord was not in the earthquake. And after the earthquake a fire, but the Lord was not in the fire. And after the fire a sound of sheer silence. When Elijah heard it, he wrapped his face in his mantle and went out and stood at the entrance of the cave. Then there came a voice to him that said, "What are you doing here?" He answered, "I have been very zealous for the Lord, the God of hosts." Dear Mother of Carmel, over the stormy sea of time, when the hot wind of temptations assail us and misfortune draw near us, reveal us the sound of sheer silence as the prophet Elijah meets God. Teach us, O dear Mother, to seek God in the stillness of the gentle breeze that slowly passes by our heart, our mind and our body. Make us realize, Mother, this passing of our God in our lives. Give us that readiness to stand at the entrance of our own cave, to meet Him and hear Him speaking. Listen, I am standing at the door knocking. If you hear my voice and open the door, I will come into you and eat with you, and you with me. Dear Mother, as you open the door of your heart for the Word to dwell, enable us also to respond to God's gentle whisperings in every moment of our life. Amen.